Hey guys, so I still don't feel good today, but I got my ring back. It's actually soldered now, so it doesn't like move around. And it's now a size 6 instead of like a 7 almost, because I went down in size and I have the hiccups. It's driving me crazy. But I'm getting better. I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed, and there's the hiccups again. I really hate hiccups, and I've been getting them off and on all day long. I think I'm going to relax and lay down. But I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope I feel better soon. I haven't been able to get like any other videos filmed, and my head feels all so I'm gonna go lay down. I have the hiccups, and I can't get rid of them. They are here to stay for the rest of my life. That's what it feels like anyway. Oh my gosh, stop it. Oh, I hate hiccups. My nails are pink. It just won't stop, so I'm gonna go lay down. Bye. Oh.